Goldilocks and the Three Bears by Carmen Crow. The bear family loves to camp in the woods. They sleep in a tent, they gather wild berries, they fish, and they cook their meals over a campfire. This morning their oatmeal was too hot to eat, so they went for a short hike while it cooled. Goldilocks, you are such a naughty girl. You shouldn't be poking around someone else's campsite. But she is. She tasted the bear's breakfast. This oatmeal is too hot. This oatmeal is too sweet. This oatmeal is just right. I can't help it. I'm hungry, said Goldilocks. Now what is Goldilocks doing? She is messing around with the bear's fishing gear. I've never seen one of these before, said Goldilocks. The fishing pole is too long. This fishing pole is all tangled up. This fishing pole is just right. Can you believe it? Goldilocks snapped Baby Bear's fishing pole in two. Oh no, not their sleeping bags. I need my beauty sleep, said Goldilocks. Goldilocks, you can't just climb in someone else's sleeping bag without asking. But she did. This sleeping bag is too big. This sleeping bag is too scratchy. This sleeping bag is just right. Can you believe it? Goldilocks fell asleep in Baby Bear's sleeping bag. The three bears enjoyed their hike, but now they were hungry. But someone has been eating my baby's oatmeal and it's all gone. Someone has been messing with my baby's fishing pole and it's broken in two. Someone has been sleeping in my bag and there she is. Uh-oh. Those three nice bears gave Goldilocks three big roars, and without even saying she was sorry, she jumped out of the sleeping bag and ran home. And Goldilocks never poked her nose in someone else's stuff again. The end.